Belle. Thank you. Good girls. You see him, Ayse? Belle, stop. Turn around. Ayse. So yesterday we walked by one of those, the heron, with Ayse. And you bet with Belle running out there, she saw it. Belle! Thank you. Stop. Wait. Good job, Ayse. You wanna go see him? I'm not going in the mud. You bet she saw him, and she is able to walk away. That's what we did yesterday. I let her make the decision. Come on, you guys, we're going this way. Ayse. Belle. Turn around. Good job. You walked away, and she can loosely walk away and go play in the grass. Yay. I reward after. I don't have treats with me today. Oh, yay. Good job. Ayse, stop. Thank you. I can't run. Good girl. That's what we want out of reactive dogs, is to learn to walk away, turn away, and be happy somewhere else. This is Scott with Second to No One, Canine Life Coach, acting a fool. Have fun, you guys. Thank you.